Ake igama lami nguGatsha wakwaNtumba. I'm Acting Director Assessment KwaZulu Natal. Njengoba sila in this workshop, basically we are here to plan ahead for the financial year of 2026-2027. And at the Assessment Directorate, these are the services that we offer. We coordinate the school-based assessment processes, marker selection, marking process, and we deal with examination malpractices, conduct and monitor all the assessment. And also in the meeting, I've just presented the performance for KwaZulu Natal, which covers the entire system from grade R up to grade 12, all subjects, so that the participants within the meeting are able to plan ahead, having information of where the gaps are, where our strengths are. And we hope this meeting or this planning session will be a success. And thank you very much.